Hey guys, this is Connie with Heritage House. Buddy's chasing cicadas all over the place. There's hundreds of them just around that tree. He's having a field trip. The cats love them too, and the chickens. They are all over the place. It's amazing how many they are on that tree. There are thousands on the ground. I've never seen anything like that in my whole life. They say it's a double hatch. It happens every 13 years or so. Cats love them too. But Buddy is a big fan. He would chase them and hunt them down everywhere. He's like a chicken in that aspect. It's so funny. Look how many cells are down on the ground. Beautiful day in the Carolinas. We're all having a great time here.